Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Critical Reading Class KU 1024. I'm Ibu Muhsona, English lecturer based in the Research Group of Literacy, Media and Culture, Faculty of Art and Design, Institut Teknologi Bandung. In Module 8, we will discuss about plagiarism and how to avoid it. Plagiarism is a common issue in academic life. Plagiarism is defined as to steal and pass off the ideas or words of another as one's own. It is also defined as to use another's production without crediting the source. Referring to the definition, there are at least two things to highlight. First, stealing someone else's words also means stealing his ideas. It means that paraphrasing a sentence, a paragraph, a chapter, or a text and use it in your writing is not enough. To avoid plagiarism, the idea still needs citation. Second, while it is okay to use the other people's words and ideas, citing the source is mandatory. Plagiarism may take various forms, from reusing an entire document to rewriting a single paragraph. Any form of plagiarism comes down to passing off someone else's ideas as one's own. There are at least 4 common types of plagiarism. First is copy and paste plagiarism. The first form of plagiarism is copy and paste plagiarism, or usually called direct plagiarism. This is when a writer just copies the whole paragraph of other person's work and pastes it to his work without including citation. The second form is Mosaic plagiarism. This kind of plagiarism is committed when a writer only copies and pastes different pieces of text together to make a kind of mosaic or patchwork of other researchers' ideas. Although this mosaic presents a completely new piece of text, the words and ideas are not new. The third form is self-plagiarism. What is self-plagiarism? Someone is considered committing self-plagiarism when he uses parts of his previous work, such as a paper, a literature review, or a dataset without properly citing it. It sounds ridiculous to be penalized for plagiarizing your own work, doesn't it? But it is important to know that the readers expect the work to be original. The fourth is global plagiarism. What is global plagiarism? Someone is considered committing global plagiarism when he uses someone else's paper or work and claims it as his. Someone else's work here includes, for example, asking a friend, family, or relatives to write the text for you. Or, in an extreme case, buying an essay from an essay mill. Consequences of plagiarism. What are the consequences of committing plagiarism? Depending on the form of plagiarism, and whether he is a first-year student, an academic, or a professional, possible consequences are failing the course or eviction from university if he is a student, the ruin of reputation, and quite possible the end of his career. And the consequence, which is of course not easy for either students or academic and professional, is social pressure for being accused of copyright violation. How to avoid plagiarism? To avoid plagiarism, keep in your mind of these two steps. First, you can either quote, paraphrase, or summarize the words or ideas from someone else. And the second, give credit to the original source by doing in-text citation and putting it in the reference list. We have learned what plagiarism is, types of plagiarism, the consequences of committing plagiarism, and steps to avoid plagiarism. What is next? The next segment is about paraphrasing. Good luck. See you around. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.